Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Google Analytics 4 property and linking it to your Google account. Do this now so data starts flowing. Once done, install the GA4 tag using Google Tag Manager or paste G-Tag. JS into your site header, make sure it fires on all pages. Enable enhanced measurement to capture scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, and video events automatically. Also set data retention and check that your time zone and currency match your reporting needs. This prevents misaligned metrics later. Next, you map what matters by creating custom events and marking conversions. Sign up, purchase, lead, or key button clicks. Use the event builder in GA4 or push events via GTM. Name them consistently so reports stay clear. Then construct audiences like new users, repeat buyers, and high-intent visitors for targeted analysis or ads. Validate everything in debug view and real-time reports to confirm events trigger correctly. Make adjustments in GTM or your site code until the data matches expected behavior and user flows. Finally, you turn data into decisions by customizing reports and building explorations. Funnel, cohort, and path analyses reveal drop-offs and retention trends. Link Google Ads, Search Console, and BigQuery for deeper attribution and raw data access. This gives you cross-platform insight. Schedule recurring reports and set alerts for KPI shifts. If numbers look wrong, check tag firing in debug view, verify filters or view settings. Confirm consent or cookie settings aren't blocking hits, and ensure time zones align across accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.